Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, a vibrant parrot and a clever crow lived in two trees near each other. The parrot, with its bright green feathers and ability to mimic human speech, was often praised by the animals and even humans who passed by. People would bring it fruits and admire its beautiful colors and cheerful nature. The parrot loved the attention and felt proud of its abilities. The crow, on the other hand, was much plainer, with dark feathers and a harsh caw. It wasn't admired or praised like the parrot, and often went unnoticed. But the crow was wise and observant, and it didn't mind not being in the spotlight. One day, a human hunter came to the forest and saw the parrot. Amazed by its beauty and ability to mimic sounds, he decided to capture the bird and sell it in the market. The parrot, proud of its charm, didn't realize the danger it was in and happily mimicked the hunter's words. The hunter easily caught the parrot in his net. Seeing this, the crow flew to the parrot and said, "Dear parrot, your beauty and talent have led you into trouble. You enjoyed the admiration of everyone, but you didn't see the danger coming." The parrot, now trapped in the hunter's net, regretted its arrogance and carelessness. "You're right, crow," it said. "I was too busy enjoying the attention to notice the danger around me. Please help me escape." The crow, being clever and resourceful, came up with a plan. It flew to a nearby tree and began cawing loudly, pretending to be injured. The hunter, distracted by the crow's loud cries, left the parrot's cage to investigate. While the hunter was away, the crow swiftly flew down, using its sharp beak to undo the knots of the net. The parrot was freed and flew away just in time. The parrot, grateful for the crow's help, said, "Thank you for saving me. I now realize that wisdom and awareness are far more important than beauty and praise." The crow nodded and replied, "We all have our strengths, but it's important to stay humble and alert." From that day on, the parrot and the crow became close friends, and the parrot learned to be more humble and cautious, while appreciating the wisdom of its new friend. Moral: pride in one's talents and appearance can lead to trouble if one is not careful and humble. Wisdom and awareness are more valuable than admiration.